Question number 1. Which part of the heart is the thickest wall? The correct option is the left ventricle. Question number 2. The heart is enclosed in a sac called the. The correct option is a pericardium. Question number 3. Which layer of the heart is responsible for contraction? The correct option is B. Myocardium. Question number 4. Which structure carries electrical impulse to the ventricles? The correct option is D. Bundle of His. Question number 5. Bradycardia is defined as heart rate below. The correct option is C. 60 beats per minute. Question number 6. Which diagnostic test confirms heart block? The correct option is A. Electrocardiogram. Question number 7. What is the usual dose of paracetamol for an adult? The correct option is B. 500 mg. Question number 8. Which of the following is a sign of fluid overload? The correct option is C. Crickles in lungs. Question number 9. If GAR scoring is done at how many minutes after birth? The correct option is C. 1 and 5 minutes. Question number 10. Which of the following is a side effect of loop diuretics? The correct option is B. Hyponatremia. Question number 11. Which of the following is a common side effect of corticosteroids? The correct option is D. Bone thinning. Question number 12. What is the primary purpose of a nasogastric tube? The correct option is B. Administer nutrition. Question number 13. Which of the following is an example of a subjective data? The correct option is C. Pain level. Question number 14. What is a common side effect of antihistamines? The correct option is A. Sedation. Question number 15. Which of the following is a sign of early stage hypoxia? The correct option is C. Rapid pulse. Question number 16. Which of the following is a common cause of chronic back pain? The correct option is B. Osteoarthritis. Question number 17. Which of the following is the first sign of shock? The correct option is B. Tachycardia. Question number 18. What should the nurse assess first in a patient with chest pain? The correct option is A. Vital signs. Question number 19. Which is the most common complication of diabetes? The correct option is C. Kidney failure. Question number 20. Which condition results from the deficiency of iron? The correct option is B. Anemia. Question number 21. Which part of the nephron is responsible for filtration of blood? The correct option is A. Glomerulus. Question number 22. The best screening test for breast cancer is? The correct option is B. Mammogram. Question number 23. The most common side effect of chemotherapy is? The correct option is D. Nausea and vomiting. Question number 24. A patient on diuretics should be monitored for? The correct option is B. Hypokalemia. Question number 25. The best position for a patient with dyspnea is? The correct option is C. High polars. Question number 26. The normal range of oxygen saturation is? The correct option is D. 95 to 100%. Question number 27. The primary medication for bipolar disorder is? The correct option is A. Lithium. Question number 28. The most accurate method to assess a patient's body temperature is? The correct option is C. Rectal thermometer. Question number 29. The best site to check a pulse in an unconscious adult is? The correct option is B. Carotid artery. Question number 30. A patient taking warfarin should be avoided? The correct option is A. Green leafy vegetables. Question number 31. The most common symptom of major depression is? The correct option is B. Decreased energy. Question number 32. The most common cause of postpartum hemorrhage is? The correct option is A. Uterine anatomy. Question number 33. Which type of isolation is needed for a patient with tuberculosis? The correct option is C. Ear-borne isolation. Question number 34. The priority intervention for postpartum hemorrhage is? The correct option is A. Administer oxytocin. Question number 35. A nurse performs hand hygiene for at least? The correct option is C. 20 seconds. Question number 36. The best site for an IM intramuscular injection in infant is? The correct option is B. Vestis lateralis. Question number 37. The main side effect of AC inhibitors is? The correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 38. A newborn with hypoglycemia may exhibit? The correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 39. A patient taking furosemide should be monitored for. The correct option is B. Hypokalemia. Question number 40. The hormone responsible for maintaining pregnancy is. The correct option is D. Progesterone. Question number 41. The first teeth appear in an infant are usually. The correct option is A. Ancestors. Question number 42. Which medication is used as a blood thinner? The correct option is A. Aspirin. Question number 43. A severe form of morning sickness during pregnancy is called. The correct option is D. Hyperemesis gravidium. Question number 44. A patient with diabetes should monitor their blood sugar level. The correct option is A. Daily. Question number 45. A patient with high blood sugar, high blood pressure should avoid. The correct option is D. Salty foods. Question number 46. A common symptom of urinary tract infection is. The correct option is B. Burning during urination. Question number 47. The best position to measure blood pressure is. The correct option is C. Sitting. Question number 48. Which electrolyte is most commonly lost in vomiting? The correct option is C. Potassium. Question number 49. The structure that provides oxygen and nutrient to the fetus is. The correct option is B. Placenta. Question number 50. The common feature of rickets in children is. The correct option is A. Fragile bones. Question number 51. A client with renal failure is most at risk for. The correct option is A. Hyperkalemia. Question number 52. A child is diagnosed with measles. The characteristic rash is. The correct option is D. Mucopolars. Question number 53. The hormone that prepares the uterus for pregnancy is. The correct option is A. Progesterone. Question number 54. In case of suspected spinal cord injury, the nurse should first. The correct option is C. Immobilize the spine. Question number 55. A mother at 36 weeks gestation with preeclampsia should be monitored for. The correct option is B. Proteinuria. Question number 56. A patient with C. difficile infection requires. The correct option is B. Contact isolation. Question number 57. An antibiotics is ordered to be given 3 times daily. The nurse should administer it. The correct option is C. Every 8 hours. Question number 58. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? The correct option is D. Vitamin K. Question number 59. Which electrolyte imbalance can cause cardiac arrhythmias? The correct option is a hyperkalemia. Question number 60. Which isolation precaution is required for a patient with tuberculosis? The correct option is C. Ear Baron.